Good morning, everybody. I had quite a scare a while ago. I heard this noise. I didn't know if it was a wreck at the top of the road or a gunshot, but I knew it was really loud if it was a gun. And went walking up the road, and there's 3 fire trucks up there and several other rescue vehicles. And remember, I've told y'all my neighbor up there has a plumbing business. One of his vans exploded. It must have been something in the back that he had. It blew the whole back of his van off. It's parked in his driveway up the hill to the right of that fire truck. So y'all be in prayer. I'm not sure if anybody's hurt. I can't get up in there to see.